Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Willy Fizar, NIM 50120025, kelas 4F Ekonomi Syariah. Saya akan membacakan tugas UAS saya. Baiklah, yang pertama, opportunities for improving hypertensive disorder of pregnancy management in primary care setting, a review of international published guidelines in the context of pregnancy care in Indonesia, nearly all global maternal death attributable to uncalled in law to middle-income countries. However, limited guidance is available to local primary care practitioners who are usually primary health care providers. Next, interrogation of health service for the elderly in Asia, a scoping review of Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Against the backdrop of a rapidly aging population, we will not only integrate multiply health service for the elderly to ensure better coordinated care, but also drive private cost inflation driven primarily by the therapeutic sector. Next, universal health converge in Indonesia, concept, progress, and challenge. Summary: Indonesia is a fast-growing middle-income country with million people from more than ethnic group and language group on Island, setting unique challenge for the health system and universal health care. Next, wildfire exposure during pregnancy and the risk of adverse birth outcomes. Systematic review. Background: maternal fire across smoke stress is associated for puberty outcomes with effect that can be mediated by air population and psychosocial stress. Despite the record international intensity and frequency of wildfire in compared to war, there has been no considerable assessment of advanced lacking motor efforts to fear of the adverse effect of kill the bear. Next, yang kelima, association of bear weight with risk of autism, systematic review and meta-analysis. Background: low birth weight has been reported to be an environmental risk of autism. However, the effect of normal birth weight and beyond autism have not been fully investigated. This meta-analysis was continued to investigate the relationship between various birth weight level and autism. Next, nomor 6, review of adversarial intervention to ensure traditional birth attendant neonatal recursive cell FNC. Every year, almost million neonatal deaths arise worldwide, and of the health are the result of FAG delivery infancy born in rural regions in low and counter-pregnancy international locations are frequently introduced through conventional delivery attendance of future extra hazard of associated death. Next, 7. Traditional birth attendant and birth income allow middle income countries a review. Traditional birth attendant review on the middle before and development of emergency medical care system. In a systematic pregnancy, women give birth with a traditional birth attendant, mostly in rural and or remote areas with Related service still active in many adults of dementia as providing care including support and advice to when during pregnancy and birth. Next, asymptomatic pregnancy clinical congenital adverse pregnancy automatics inducing prematity with systematic review and meta-analysis. During pregnancy, vaginal colonization by candidate SPP is common. Several students have shown an association between asymmetric pregnancy, clinical congenital, and adverse pregnancy automatics, but at advanced is instrument this review association between asymmetric pregnancy potential by candida SPP and adverse pregnancy automatics including primary and delivery. Next, 9 malaria in pregnancy and adverse with automatics, now mechanism and therapeutic opportunities. Malaria infection during pregnancy is associated with automatics, but the underlying mechanism is not well understood. Where described the often malaria on pregnancy along the with patterns that are important regulation of health pregnancy automatics. Next, the determinants of malnutrition among leader system review. Purpose nutrition in children of major public health problem by and systematic opinion leader under will the student million underling to teeth be high and million wonderwit. Next, the utilization of material health service at planning and setting outer Asia contains a systematic review and internal descriptive internal material administrative global and health problem. Significant progress has been made over last years, but this pregnancy remains high epithelial and low middle income continues. Next, status and progress of hepatitis B control thoroughly in the South Asia region. In the South Asia regional immunization technology advisory group CIAR, population of pregnancy B have responded the hepatitis B approved the goal. Next, factor that influence women decision on infertility, feeding, and interrogative review. When women stop breastfeeding earlier than late weeks before giving birth, along many students have focused on factor that influence women prenatal breastfeeding decision. Lesser known factor influence women decision but where parental and prenatal continuous not proper. Next, Subtrick account in the Island latitude of ASEAN to review their distribution, attitudinal, and potential productivities. Subtrick are the second legal family of leading maternal and vector of number of phenotypes and veterinary progressive about humans and animals. Okay, next, Western Pacific VDC evidence updating EDCAT genetic seed, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis and proximity dementia complex is describing neurodegenerative disorder of apparent environmental organelle primary hyperdementia among homeowners of Guas, USA. Next, Towards synchronic-free tropical restored island, a historical phenomenon of drainage atau Christomelis in Bali. Criminalities and criminalities are known to be endemic to Surface Island in Indonesia, but reckon environmental that are relatively rare, since the majority of Indonesia population is Muslim. Teniasis atau Schistosomiasis caused by the development tennis psyllium is confined to the non-Muslim community and is unapplicable to only a few Hindu community in Bali. Next, stunting is a recognized problem. Advance for the potential benefits of Trilong can pedestrian fat against. Next. Linguists of sensible definitive roles between China and countries along Belt and Road Intermediate in the United Nations Agency or World Reform again for sustainable deficiency by it also in civil development goal to improve the world economy, social and environmental sustainable development as only develop China and there's faithful for defense continues to achieve the development goals by with the with the detailed strategies. Next, Scooping review a baby-friendly hospital impressive competency and breastfeeding intervention in Sri Lanka. Integrative application of in link between baby-friendly hospital intervention in competency and start of breastfeeding in Sri Lanka. Source information. Next. In fact, maternal free pregnancy body mass index of internal maternal and neonatal adversity outcomes in the world with population a systematic review and meta-analysis. Systematic review and meta-analysis where we were prompted to examine the effect of the surveilled maternal pregnancy obesity index on adversity maternal and fetal atau neonatal outcomes. Next, Zika virus and microcephaly in Southeast Asia a cause for occur. The flavivirus genus Zika virus, a mosquito-borne virus of the Flaviridae family, has recently emerged and is causing infection in more than countries and territories worldwide. Next, evidence of stunting genus Asia contains review epidemiologically definite stunting are more often observed in socially in developing countries as he did in score with less than standard definition SD and reflect the failure of linear growth. Next, validators and bearing to developmentally suppressive care for certain implants in low and middle income countries. A scoping review veteran with and is associated complication are a major cause of natural mortality worldwide. Next, more than years of Lucy, a review of fan conditions and past and future student. The heart of Lucy and as Java, Indonesia has been going off and on for more than a decade with no end is said. This review summarizes what you limited about the fascinating system for inflation to fresh. Next, breast sensor instrument related in Verdema and on review of the limited and updates in Missouri reconstruction. Breast sensor, the most common type of answer in Dalmas Hospital, Such instrument can catch semen-related breast cancer in hyperderma, which cause serious mobility. Visit the Aston Fleeted series at the Mercy Hospital, BRC Couplet L position. Next, adolescent motor experimentation of the transition to and motor health and interrogative review, women apprehensive inclusive vulnerabilities and first mother's challenge in the terrain to station to maternity. Next, Marferi and nurses staffing of Invitation Maternity Service a systematic scoping review of association with outcomes and quality of care. We conducted a literary review of scoping student impressive the qualitative relationship between person and material neutral on staff result. Next, women expounded the determinants of early intervention of breastfeed as scoping review. For what WHO recommends early start of breastfeeding, which is that breastfeeding, for instance, waiting in first horse and lip. However, because ABF is not widely used, it increases the risk of infant mortality. Next, molecular photomachines of cervical cancer (MMVI). Surface sensor manually caused by the human papillomavirus, Stargardt and Strayman methods have been extensive studies and are strongly correlated with the development of cell carcinogens. Next, level diseases in the Asia Pacific region and Lancer Convention Hepatology and Communication. The Asia Pacific region is a home to more than half of the world population and students for of the world that from liver disease and of the global deaths from cirrhosis of the global death from hepatitis cholestaema and more than one that 2 to 3 of the global burden of viral hepatitis occurred in the region. Next, impact of socioeconomic on Bangladeshi hospital for underweight operating children. Bangladesh, a most lighting ration model. The level of development and quality and review for all continuing definition on net rebound. Bangladesh of hal record a number of adult children between and worst oversight is one of the most visible yet neglected public health issues. Next, arsenic contamination in food can is Bangladesh a review of the health hazard, systematic impact and imitation. Arsenic, famous reaction happening obviously metalloid that has an extended record of being resistant to humus. Arsenic information of water and pollution is Bangladesh in a survey published Fitness Health, even many years after well has become infertile holders of the ocean of human beings are never has income to answer further instinct waterless mans. Next, childhood socioeconomic position and risk of cardiovascular disease of adulthood. Systematic review written from low and middle income countries in Sudan, systematic disadvantage in childhood childhood is strongly associated with a higher risk of conditional decisioning in high-income countries. However, the associated low and middle-income countries where childhood poverty remains prevalent host the band review. Next, effect to intermediate immersion on the evaluation of very differing national of factors traumatic and primary factor review specific analysis in the traumatic brain injury litany review. Traumatic brain injury TBI is a leading cause and of death and lifelong disability worldwide, primarily affecting young and middle aged people. Is a promising traumatic for family of friendly injuries, including TBI, due to those non-manifestive effects. Next, challenge and management of pregnancy in uh, cyanotic, zoonotic health diseases. Pregnancy in women with cyanotic endometrial and CID is considered a significant maternal of this, but information the effect and management of breast pregnancy serve complication during pregnancy depend on the underlying defect that the primary associated with is. Next, what the evidence documentary of the meaning of crystal natural efficiency for a natural screening management associated of human well-being South Asia, a systematic map, contribution activity interpretation of the management of natural revenue urban aing references to challenge conventional and challenge human well-being. Human three on contributed about how well this dual goal have been in the growing awareness of the society within and between objective of the goal. Next, a cybernetic network for predicting pattern and changing care setting. The birth of human fetus back before graduation is considered a premature baby. It affects fetal mental health, has an economic impact on the child and systematic awal and the unequal position to the supplements. Next, update of free and versatile iron supplementation in malaria economic setting. The review focused on the supplement before and early delivery in malaria evidence setting. Round application called the iron deficiency, but malaria infection can control death effect by introducing hepcidin. Next, start infection during pregnancy and pregnant related concern concurs challenge management and immunization services review the ongoing pernicious deficiency caused by severe autonomic syndrome. Coronavirus is a global public health problem that triggers hyperactivation of inflammatory and immune response resulting in sticky. Next, elimination of latency transition of hepatitis B1 Africa a review available and of tunnels. This review focuses on the prevention of critical transition of hepatitis B virus in pregnant women in sub-Saharan. The described as men with a menstrual serum frequency variable in low and middle income status and conferred on VNC and efficiency in satisfactory sleep global DSC internal goal very HBF prevency effort and significant risk gaps method. Next, X estimation in the living scooping review of population data for skeletal and dental methods. The estimation of the egg living individual has become an important fair for scientific prevention. FCC dual the global includes clickboard migration, the last rate of beer registration of many countries several migrant inflation document population in Africa and Asia highlight the importance of a reliable method for estimating the egg living individual. The same is true for Middle Astronomy and Extruve Contreras XCP with Regal the Bond Development. Oke, baiklah, terima kasih. Jika banyak salah kata, saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.